Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install LDPlayer 14. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to select LDPlayer download and you'll get this first option. Select it. So over here, you will get to see an option for LDPlayer 14. It's a beta variant. So click on this. It will download the setup file. Once it is downloaded, click on open. Let me minimize this web browser. Over here, you can see it is checked to create a shortcut. Okay, and read the agreement. It is checked. Over here, you get an option to select the setup path. We'll go with the default settings and click on install. This will download the required files and install it on your machine. So this software LD Player, it is basically an Android emulator for Windows. You can run Android apps or Android APK files in this software. So once the installation is completed, it is going to auto start this software. So this is the home screen. You can maximize it. Okay. If you scroll down over here, you'll get to see the different games. Okay. Welcome to LD Player screen and close this. This is the LD store from where you can download the different games applications. Okay. You'll get to see the LD game recommended section, top new games, popular games section over here. This is for you. Then over here, it's a pre-register for the upcoming games. Then in the category, you get the different options to select. You can filter. Basically, if I select on the card, then you will be able to see the card related games. Over here there is one more menu like LD rewards. You can log in to check your points over here. Okay, all your reward points are maintained, managed. Then in login, you can log in with a different line. If you have account Facebook, you can also log in with the Google account. Let's go back to the for you section. If I close this, okay, so this is the home screen. Over here, if you select, it's a system apps. You can also download games from the Play Store. File menu, you get web browser. Okay, on the right hand side, you get the settings menu. You can change the settings, resolution like display settings. You get in this, you can manage the resolution. Okay, window, then graphics options. In advanced, you can change the CPU, RAM configurations. Okay, FPS settings, performance mode. In model, you can change the phone model. There are different models available. Okay, based on the brands. Then disk, you can manage the disk settings. Audio like loudspeaker, microphone. Network settings you can manage. Shortcut, then common for Android, you can change those shortcuts. In wallpaper, you can set different wallpapers if you want. In others, also you get more options to make changes, and once it is done, you can click on save settings and click on cancel. So first one was the settings menu. Then you get keyboard mapping. Okay, volume up, volume down. Then operations recorder, you can record your activities. Open LD multiplayer. Then you can install APK. Okay, you can take a screenshot. You can record a video. You can synchronize through this, and there is a shake option. If you click on these three dots, you'll be getting more features like rotate the screen, then virtual GPS, and this is the shared folder. This is the escape, and this is the home. And over here, it is an app switcher. If any app is open in the background, you will be able to see it over here. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.